Okay, come with me today as I decorate for Valentine's Day, and I'm going to tell you some things that we do as a family to make Valentine's Day special for our kids and for our family. Okay, let's go. My first tip is to decorate. As you can see, decorating for Valentine's Day doesn't have to be over the top. As you see, I have very minimal decorations, but it does make a big impact in our small house. What I like to do is add a few, just touches here and there with our regular decor. I mix and match, and it really does brings a different feeling to the house. I also like to decorate a few weeks before, maybe the beginning of February, and the night before I like to do something special, like hang up streamers or blow up balloons. Just something special for the kids in the morning when they wake up. Another fun thing to make your kids feel special on Valentine's Day is to make Valentine's themed food. And I don't mean like everything be red or go out and spend hundreds of dollars just for a Valentine's Day dinner or breakfast, or just include little touches of Valentine's Day within your normal meals. Cut the kids sandwiches with heart-shaped cookie cutters, or make them a heart-shaped pizza for dinner. Or if you're having like meatloaf and mashed potatoes, color your mashed potatoes red and see if they like that. Some things I've done in the past is make heart-shaped pancakes for breakfast and cut strawberries so that they look like hearts, or cut cherry tomatoes so they look like hearts. I've made heart-shaped pizzas, like I've said before, and cut out the pepperoni on the pizzas with a cookie cutter so they're heart-shaped. Just little touches here and there. We've made like a pink drink. We don't have very many special drinks very often, so having something special like that just makes the kids feel special. But the next thing to help your kids feel special on Valentine's Day is to do little crafts. I got red and pink and white pony beads and some pipe cleaners, and I just set them out on the table and let the kids create whatever they wanted to. They created hearts and spirals, bracelets. They gave them to their siblings. They gave them out to the neighborhood kids. They had a lot of fun with it. That was just a simple, I just had to put it out there for them. It didn't take very much input from me at all. I've seen online there's several Valentine's Day coloring pages that you can print out for free. Just printed out a few for each kid, and they've sat and colored them. You can get construction paper and cut it into strips, and then make like a heart garland out of construction paper. That would be super fun to do with your kids. I've also seen another idea where you take white crayons and have either yourself or the kids, if they're old enough, to draw hearts on just white paper, or watercolor paper and draw a few hearts with that white crayon, and then use watercolors to paint it. When they paint it, the watercolors won't stay on where you drew with the white crayons. It'll reveal the hearts when they're painting, and that seemed super fun. You could start some family traditions. One of my favorite ways to make Valentine's Day meaningful is by starting a love wall. So you cut out paper hearts and encourage family members to write something they love about each other each day. Stick the hearts on a designated wall or place them on each child's bedroom door each morning. By the end of February, you'll have a beautiful display of love and appreciation. Some other fun traditions would be to slip a heart-shaped note into your kids' lunch, read a special Valentine's Day book together, and end the day with a family movie and a fun Valentine's snack. That's it. Valentine's Day doesn't have to be overwhelming. It's all about small, simple touches that create the lasting memories. I hope these ideas inspire you to celebrate in a way that's fun and stress-free for you. If you found this video helpful, I would love to know. Leave me a comment with a little heart emoji, and let me know how you make Valentine's Day special for your family. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye.